Hello, today we will focus on this light, embossed air mesh, reminiscent of the well-known honeycomb. It is easy to knit with only knit stitches. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows, which are repeated with an offset. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, knit the loops in pairs. The scheme for this row is: knit 2, lift a loop from the bottom row with the left hook and slip it to the right one. Again, knit 2, raise a loop. Knit 2, raise a loop. Knit like this until the end of the row. Row 2 wrong side, the pattern for this row is: knit 2 together, and knit 1. Again, knit 2 together, and knit 1. Knit 2 together, and knit 1. Knit like this until the end of the row. Row 3 right side, similar to row 1, we knit the loops in pairs. The scheme for this row is: knit 1, lift a loop from the bottom row, knit 1. Again, knit 1, raise a loop, knit 1. Knit like this until the end of the row. Row 4 wrong side, the pattern for this row is: knit 1, knit 2 together, again. Knit 1, knit 2 together. Knit like this until the end of the row. Let me leave you with one last tip. If you are on the knit row, you will find out whether you are on the first row or the third by observing the loops of the bottom row. Where it is in 2 plays, you must knit 1, and where it is in 1 play, knit 1 and raise 1 from the bottom row. On the wrong side, where there is 1 loop, knit 1, where there are 2 loops, knit 2 together. This knit is very influential and easy. It is appropriate for women's and children's knitwear. The spring and summer months are common for it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.